to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am sharing package number 3, and this is from person number 4 in our shabby chic group from ScrapDaWorlds Happy Mail Swapper's Delight Happy Mail swap that she did. I was number 1, so every person after that had a number. So this is the 3rd package that I received, and it's from person number 4. So this is what the packaging looked like. I love it. My name is on it, and that matches my scrap room, like my craft room perfectly. So obviously I'll be saving that. I'm sure that was the person's intended purpose. That is gorgeous. I love this so much, and I remembered to take pictures, so I can go right ahead and just jump right on in. I love this. This is beautiful. This is so pretty. This is such a gorgeous like tag set. Oh wow. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is from WithHisGifts. She has a Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. All of them say the same, WithHisGifts. And the little pop dot stuck to the other side. I can easily take that off and keep her cards. That's a beautiful card. I love that. So I am going to go ahead and check out all of her socials and her website. So thank you. That is beautiful. Look at that. I love that. Sorry if I do a lot of clearing of my throat. I've said it, and I'm sure I am like repeating myself and sounding very repetitive in these videos, but all of this is being filmed back to back in one day. So I am sick. I don't know, you guys. It's been rough over here in this household. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at these bag toppers. Wish, dream, and hug. I'm always saying big hugs to everyone. I feel like I'm always saying big hugs to people, so seeing that on there is funny to me. That is beautiful. It looks like she took and put some resin on those butterfly pieces. These are gorgeous bag toppers, and the colors, yes ma'am, stunning. I love the packaging. If this is something that she offers on her website, you guys might want to go there and take a look and find out. I'm opening this up now. Wow, thank you. Look at this trim. Oh, my camera wasn't focused. Thank you so much. I doubt I'll use it right away because, again, we tend to want to hoard gorgeous things, right? And this is a box. I love that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that together because I can use that for some Happy Mail. I do not have anything like this at all. All right, I'll put that together off camera, but thank you so much for sending that. I do have some Happy Mail that I need to send out. I really like these. Maybe I'll make something with them. I don't know. I just kind of want to save anything that I get from all of the ladies in this swap. I kind of want to just save them for a while so I can just enjoy them for what they are. Put them on display in my craft spaces. These are gorgeous. I love this. I love this. I love it so very much. I will make sure that I visit your site, your channel, all of your social medias, and message you and say thank you to you personally. So again, you all, please make sure you check out her website, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and everything else that she had listed on her card. Thank you again. Thank you so much, Tamika, for hosting this swap. And I will catch you all in the next video. Have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.